Hello friends, today I'm going to show you this awesome 3D stickers. I have Sophia, one Princess Sophia's, another one is My Little Pony, and another one is some butterflies. I literally love the butterfly one actually. And let's open it. First, I literally want to open the butterflies one, so let's open it first. There is a place to open it. You can see just by double-sided tape you can see these are literally awesome stickers, and I literally want to show you how it sticks. So I just take out the flower and stick it on the paper. You can see how nice it looks, and even it has some magical effects. I think you can't see it properly, but I literally want to show you. You can see it. You can see it on this one, I think. Everybody is shining like this one as I show you, and see how beautifully the flower is. I love this flower. Okay, then you can see there is a lovely background on the back of the butterflies. So let's put it back. But I love the butterfly one because there is a rainbow too, and you must know that rainbows are my favorite. Okay, butterfly one done. Now My Little Ponies. There's also a sticker that shows My Little Ponies. Here's Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie, and others. I just know these two. Others I don't know. So I don't like. I only like Rainbow Dash. Is my favorite in all the characters. Okay, I'm very excited to open this one too. Okay, then let's open it. As I told you, it's just like double-sided tape. It has a tape, so it gets sticked always. So take it out easily. My sticker. Gosh. Okay, here it goes. You can see these very awesome My Little Ponies. Just see how sparkly it is. I think you can't see it properly, but I'm literally going to try to show it because I want that you see the My Little Ponies. Can you see anyone? No, you can't, but I'm telling you these are magical. Okay, let's take one sticker. Which one should I take? This balloon one or this flower one? Okay, let's take the flower one because it is flower party. All the flowers are here, so I thought I must put this one too. You can see how awesome it sticks. I love these. So I want to show you again the awesome My Little Ponies. Awesome. Okay. Let's put it back. You can see awesome background. The background are my favorite. I think that. I take them for my crafts or anything else. I love to do crafts, right? Please like who loves to craft. Okay? Done this one. My Little Ponies. Oh, Sophia is running out, but I got her. You can see how beautiful, packed, and as usual, back tape. Okay, let's take them out. Okay, I literally want only the paper, but everybody thinks that it is sticked on the background, but it isn't. because it looks like it is stick to background, but it doesn't stick to the background. This just stick to the invisible paper. Oh wow, I love the background of this one, obviously. Please, whoever likes this one, please subscribe. Okay, which one should I take? This flower one on this pendant. Okay, let's try on this pendant. You can see awesome pendant. Okay, done. You can see the Princess Sophia with a rabbit here hugging her. And you can see others just like these. Wow. And there's also bouquet. And this isn't a sticker, but it's for because of the sticker name on the number. I don't know, but it's. You can see how beautiful it is. I literally love it. Okay then. Okay friends. Now I must pack it again. And friends, I have a lot of fun opening these 3 of the stickers with you. Please stay tuned and watch our next video. Bye.